Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome, and I really hope that you join the Cam fam by hitting that little subscribe button down below. So today, as you can see, I am all dolled up in flowers and pink and everything because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I wanted to give you guys a look that is going to knock somebody off their feet. So I love Valentine's Day, not only because I love love and I love my husband and we always do something really fun for Valentine's Day. I think I'm thinking steak and lobster this year. I don't know. Tell me guys what your plans are for Valentine's Day. Maybe I'll steal one of your ideas. I don't know. But yeah, and also because I love chocolate and I really don't need a reason to eat chocolate, but it's a reason to eat chocolate. So therefore, I like it. So anyway, we're doing a full face today, so I'm breaking everything down to get this look so you can slay Valentine's Day. And if you want to see step by step how I got it, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to prep my skin with the Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence. And I'm just going to spread this all over. Then I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation, and I'm in the shade Light. And I'm just going to use a brush to spread this out. So for concealer, I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm just going to conceal under my eyes. A little bit down my nose. Then I'm just going to set around my eyes with the Wet n Wild bronzer in Reserve Your Cabana. Then I'm using the Revolution Pro Skin Finish and Radiance to set the rest of my face. And this just gives such a beautiful glow. If you just want to like glow to the gods on Valentine's Day, I highly recommend you go and pick up this powder. I've literally been using it every single day, and it's amazing to set and just give your skin that like glowy, lit from within look that the Hourglass powders do. Now for brows, I'm just going to quickly fill them in with NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe.
Girls with their nails done now.
So next I'm just going to bronze up my face with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And then I'm also going to use it to contour my nose. So now I'm going to use my Anastasia contour kit just to add a little bit of definition to my cheeks. And I'm going in with this shade right here, just a little bit under the cheekbone. So for blush, I'm using my Morphe 8C blush palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Free. So for highlight, I'm going in with my Ofra All of the Lights palette, and I'm going to go in with this pink shade, which is Pillow Talk. So for my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty New Nude palette, and I came up with a really cute pinkish look for Valentine's Day. So I'm starting off with the shade Tickle. So I'm just running this first shade through my crease. Next, I'm picking up the shade Spanked. And I'm just going to start to deepen up my crease with that shade. And then I'm just going back in and blending that out more.
With their nails done now.
And then I'm going in with Love Bite just to deepen up the look even more. So I'm just going to pack that in the outer corner.
Nails done. The girls with their nails done.
And start running it through my crease. Then I'm just going to blend that out with more of the color Spanked. So now I'm just going to use that same concealer and do a half cut crease. And I'm going to cover most of the inner lid with the color Crave. It's really best to do this right when the concealer is super wet. Then I'm going to use the color Fantasy to join this light inner half with the outer corner. And then I'm just reinforcing the outer corner with Love Bite.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
And this way they're all blended into each other like a gradient. Now I'm just going to stamp Love Bite on the lower lash line.
Girls with their nails done.
And then I'm smudging it out with Spanked. And then I'm blending that out with Tickle. Alright, now I think I want to add a little hint of glitter. So I'm going to go in with Infatuated, and just with a little bit on my pinky, I'm going to place it where the two shimmer colors meet each other, just in the center a little bit. And that just adds a little hint of sparkle. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna do a thin line of black eyeliner, pop on some lashes, and then be right back to finish up the look with some lips. Okay, so for lashes, I decided to go with my Ardell 776 lashes, and these are a really like high-end looking drugstore lash. They're very like fluttery, you can't really see the band. I'm really loving these, and yeah, they just feel like a $30 pair of lashes for like $6. And then lastly for lips, I'm gonna be using the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Patina Shimmer.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
And I'm just filling my lips in with this color. Because it's a liquid lipstick, it's gonna stay on all day and last through a bunch of kisses.
Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
Okay guys, so here's the finished look. Alrighty, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up down below. And I also hope that you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. It's one of my favorite holidays. And even if you're single, treat yourself, do something special for yourself because you deserve it. So as always, I'm gonna leave you guys with 2 more videos that you can watch next. And then don't forget to click on my face right here to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, my loves, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.